Okay, good morning, everybody. Here I am in my room. Today's video is going to be a morning routine video because you asked for it. We want to make a morning routine video that's real.
Does everybody have all these face rolling things and they're obsessed with them?
I feel like I watch a lot of morning routine videos and the girls like already have makeup on and their hair looks beautiful and you know their like apartment is so clean. My apartment is clean, but it's because I like demand it to be that way. But we're just gonna walk you through what I do in the morning. So get ready with me this morning. Okay, so I make a little coffee in the morning. I put my water in my Smeg and then I have this thing, I forget what it's called, Chemex, to get a little coffee going before I go into work. Oops, there we go. Okay, this is the only way that I know how to make coffee, and I know for somebody that went to culinary school and knows how to cook, it's a little embarrassing that I don't actually really know how to operate like a coffee machine. I know that sounds crazy, but the Chemex is the way that I do this. And I don't really drink that much coffee, so I just do sort of like a single cup. So I guess I do like to do my ice face roller while I'm waiting for my coffee to happen because the water has to heat up and you do the pour over. So I stand here and I just kind of roll my face for a little while while I wait. I guess that's what I actually do in the morning. You just do like one pour and then you're supposed to let the coffee like bloom or something. I don't know the exact terminology, but when you do a pour over, you're supposed to let it sort of like wait for a minute, let the water go through, and then do a little more. It's kind of nice, you know what I mean? I know, I'm like a crazy face roller. This is the secret, gals. The ice roller. Okay, so with my coffee too, I do morning supplements, and I have been intermittent fasting, which I actually really like. So my last meal is at like 8 p.m. every night, and then I start to eat again at like 11 or 12 the next day. And so to help, I take metabolome. It helps to curb food cravings, and it really sort of gives me a nice boost of energy without being jittery or anything like that. There isn't anything in this that is like a chemical stimulant. So it's sort of a nice supplement to incorporate into your routine if you are also an intermittent faster. And then I also take Bye Bye Bloat pretty regularly because when I go out, I like to have a cocktail. I'm not supposed to eat gluten, but sometimes I do anyway. And so, you know, I'm a human, right? I like to do whatever I want. And so Bye Bye Bloat really, really helps with sort of bloating from food, but also hormonal bloating as well. And I know that some of you don't like to swallow pills. And so we always talk about this at Love Wellness. It's really easy to just take the capsules and to just open them up and add them to your coffee, just like that, or to like your shake or smoothie, whatever you want. So basically, I mean, I swallow them, but I also put them in my coffee, all different kinds of ways. And then we just get our little black coffee going in the morning. We'll stir. And now I'm ready to move on to my face routine. Okay, so I'm going to take you through my skincare routine instead of my makeup routine because skincare at this point in my life is much more important and I wear a lot of like really minimal makeup, but we can do makeup on another day. Anyway, so I always use a couple of serums, a couple of oils, moisturizer, and sunscreen, and I try to keep it pretty basic. And the general rule of thumb is that you put on the thinnest product first and then you move to the thickest product, but that you always end in sunscreen. So when I do my face rolling, gua sha, whatever, I always like to use an argan oil. So I have this one from Acure. It's really affordable and it has clean ingredients in it, which I really like. So it's just argan oil, pumpkin, and cranberry, which is pretty cool. So just putting this on really helps, you know, all of those tools that I use on my face to sort of glide across my skin more easily. And then again, we have the little gua sha. You can do it all kinds of ways, right? Okay, next, I use 2 serums from Dr. Dennis Gross. This is the Pore Perfecting Serum, and then this is the Stress Rescue Super Serum. And I do a little combo of these and then put that on. Then I follow with the Dr. Dennis Gross Hyaluronic Moisture Lotion. And this lotion is really nice. It's cool. It's blue. And then my favorite sunscreen of all time, I absolutely love it, it's Coola. And this is the Full Spectrum Sun Silk Drops. And I love this sunscreen because for years I was looking for sunscreen that didn't go on so thick because I felt like my makeup didn't go on top of it really nicely. But this product absolutely crushes it for sunscreen. Okay, so that is my easy skincare routine. I'm gonna put a little makeup on, gonna do a little meditation, and then get going to work. Okay, so one of the last things that I do before I get dressed and head out the door is a little bit of meditation in the morning, 10-15 minutes. I use the Headspace app. That dude's voice is so soothing, it is remarkable. And right now I am doing the Letting Go of Stress course, which is actually really nice. So for me, it's really important to find a way to manage and control my stress so that I am of a clear mind, so that I'm making decisions that are rational decisions instead of emotional decisions. And meditation just really helps me find peace within my body, whether it's like physical peace because I have less anxiety, mental peace because I'm in the right headspace, all of those things. And if you meditate, you totally understand. It's like this wave comes over your body of calm. And so it's really helpful for me. Okay guys, I meditated, I'm dressed, I'm heading out the door to go to work. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you guys later. Oh, and subscribe.